Today, under God, you are surrounded by your friends and family, all of whom are gathered here to witness your marriage and to share in the joy of this wonderful occasion. We search to find the person most accepting of our flaws. We search to find the person most encouraging of our dreams, but most of all, we search to find the person who loves us so unconditionally we simply can't do anything but believe it.
6 on the second hand to New Year's resolutions, and there's just no question what this man should do. Take all the time lost, all the days that I cost, take what I took and give it back to you. All this time we were waiting for each other. All this time I was waiting for you. We got all these words, can't waste them on another. So I'm straight in a straight line, running back to you.
You and I desire so much to create as each day goes by. You and I are who we are because of what we do together. Happy, in love, energized, motivated, ambitious, and always smiling. This is what I truly believe one should look for in their partner. And here I am standing before mine, knowing she has it all and more.
Hear me say, all this time we were waiting for each other. All this time I was waiting for you. We got all these words, can't waste them on another. So I'm straight in a straight line, running back to you. Yeah.
All you have to do is spend a couple of moments with these two, and you're going to become inspired. You look at the way that they look at each other. You look at the way that they treat each other. You just look at how much they are in love, and it's inspirational.
I thought I knew what love was, what being in love meant, but so I had no idea what true love was until you. You have shown me that love is so much more than the 3 words, I love you.
I know I'm blessed when we both crawl into bed together at the end of the night and fall asleep holding each other. And most of all, I can't wait to wake up and do it all again the next day, together.
All this time we were waiting for each other. All this time I was waiting for you. We got all this love, can't waste it on another. So I'm straight in a straight line, going back to you. I'm straight in a straight line, going back to you, yeah. Straight in a straight line, running back to you.
I often tell Court that Ryan is the male version of her. What I mean by that is they both have the most contagious smile and laugh. Will both give you the shirt off their back, but will make fun of you while doing it. And where Courtney is stubborn and hides her feelings, Ryan is patient and understanding.
I've never had a sister, except when Ryan decides to be a little bitch about something. But you're my sister now. You are family, and family is everything.
Wake up in the field when the morning comes. Blood on our backs and the brand new song. You can break my body, but you can't break love.
So when I look at these two, I think of heroes, and you guys are my hero, and I love you so much.
You can break my body, but you can't break love.
I am so thankful for the love that has grown and blossomed between them. May you both find patience when the other's jokes hit a nerve. May you never stop sharing your contagious laugh. Cheers to the new Mr. and Mrs. Geritano.
Lead it to the hollow, 'cause you can't break love. Lead it to the heartache, 'cause you can't break love. Lead it to your mistakes.
It was obvious from my point of view that these two were perfect for each other. I'm so glad that you had the patience to wait for your wife. I knew you were waiting for her.
'Cause you can't